This has been a collaboration from the Garvan Institute together with Start Beyond and also CSIRO and a couple of other partners. I've spent my whole career, 30 years, looking at what we call molecular graphics. So it's looking at protein structures on a flat screen. By bringing these data into a virtual reality, we're able to get a much better sense of how the protein folds in 3 dimensions. And by looking at this molecule and those mutations mapped into 3D, often what we can see is that a group of mutations that cause particular groups of cancers can cluster in one part of the molecule. We have a matrix of those proteins that we can sort of start from, and you can click on the matrix and open one protein at a time, and then you can move that protein to VR devices or augmented reality devices as well. You have a really good sense of the protein as an object, and it really helps you to understand the spatial organization. You can interact with this kind of like you would with a normal 3D object. You can move it up and down, you can open it and click on it, point to one mutation and get information about what that mutation is. And so you can look at mutations that cluster together spatially, and you can explore the patterns of effect that happen when one part of the protein is mutated. It's quite a generic system, so we can look at other diseases in humans, other mutations that drive those diseases. We can look at, for example, viral proteins. So with COVID-19, we can take it in many different places. We can apply it to many different diseases or different areas of life science research.
The opportunity now, having used that data set to work with the Garvan and children's medical research, is to take those principles and roll them out across a whole range of other areas. Whether it be COVID or Parkinson's, researchers will be able to take this data set, and with additional funding, we can take this prototype and now roll it out globally to researchers all around the world.